And I think it
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a flash flood warning for western Greene County, Montgomery County, until 7:15 p.m. At 4:20 p.m., radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1.5 and 2.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1.5 inches are possible. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Dayton, Kettering, Wright-Patterson Air Force Base, Beaver Creek, Huber Heights, Fairborn, Xenia, Trotwood, Miamisburg, Vandalia, Bellbrook, Moraine, Oakwood, Yellow Springs, West Carrollton, Wilberforce, Riverside, Clayton, Germantown, and New Lebanon. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. To report flash flooding, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.
making deals